Passenger Seat by Stephen Speaks. This is for you, Mami Shaina. Happy birthday!
We go driving for a while, looking right in the open window of my car, and as we go the traffic lights, watch them glimmer in her eyes in the darkness of the evening. And I've got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. When I can't keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's anxious for me. We start to get something to drink, my mind bounds and I can think, scared to death, say I love her. Then a moon peeks from the clouds, hear my heart that beats so loud, try to tell her simply, and I've got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. Oh, and I can't keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's anxious for me. I've got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. Oh, and I can't keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. Oh, and this love grows. Right here in the passenger seat. Oh, and I can't keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. We go driving for a while, looking open window of my car, and as we go the traffic lights, watch them glimmer in her eyes in the darkness of the evening. Look at her and half the night, we go driving for a while. Oh, and I can't keep my on the road, knowing that she's anxious from me. All that I need right here in the passenger seat.
So, yan. It's done. Trying hard to, Mami Shai, kasi sorry kung ganyan, kasi hindi ko naman to kinakanta. Ngayon ko lang to kinanta para sa'yo. Mami Shai, happy Rans birthday. Joke lang. Happy birthday, Mami Shai, na message ko sa'yo, sana happy ka ngayon birthday mo. Huwag mo pababayaan yung sarili mo, huwag ka muna magdrama ngayon, no? Alam ko, madami kang handa, penge, joke lang. Hindi, okay lang yan, kahit kain ka ng kain ngayon, kasi birthday mo naman, di ba? Sige, kahit tumaba ka ng tumaba, wala. Ayos lang yan, maganda ka pa rin naman eh. Ma'am Shai, di ba sabi mo, papupuntahin mo o susunduin mo ngayon si Daddy Chen. Ex-daddy ko yung joke. Hindi, wag mo na siya, hayaan mo na siya kasi, yun nga, di ba yung nangyari sa inyo. Andiyan naman si Daddy Binyel. Hindi, joke lang. Basta, andyan naman si Rans para sa'yo. Ma'am Shai, sorry kung lagi kitang napapagalitan, kung lagi akong pasaway, kung lagi akong makulit. Syempre, love na love kita. Yung kung napapagalitan kita, syempre, para sa'yo din yun. Yun sa love life mo. Syempre, ayaw lang kitang masaktan, kaya ako ginagawa yun. Napapayak. De, joke lang. Basta yun, kapag may problema ka, dito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Si Daddy Rans, nandyan din. Si Lolo Bird din pala, nandyan para sa'yo. Huwag mo kaming kakalimutan. Sana ingat ka lagi. Si Lay, yun, naka-shuttle yun. Kaya mo na. Hindi, joke. Basta yun, happy birthday. Sana yung sa Twitter nakita mo na yung picture na may happy birthday to, ba na si Chuchu yun. Sana nakita mo na yun. Tsaka tong video na to. Mamaya meron pa yung fan sign. Yun, tignan mo na lang. Fan sign ko. Sana si Rans, kaya lang wala. Hindi ko alam number ni Rans eh. So yun, Mami. Trying hard to. Anong gusto mo, baby blue eyes? Baby blue eyes. Tapos na. Yun, joke. Hindi, basta yun, Mami Shai. Happy birthday. I love you so much. Mwah! Love ka din daw ni Daddy Rans. Sige. Ingat ka palagi. Take care, Mama. Happy birthday.